How to create a JD Sports account on PC. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a JD Sports account on PC. So let's jump to the process. First, open any web browser available on your device. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now here, go to your search bar, then type in www.global.jdsports.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of JD Sports. Now here you can see my account option at top. Click on it. Then you'll be able to find new to JD Sports option present at the right side. Click on register for an account option. Then you'll be taken to registration page. Now here, click on first name box and enter your first name. Then click on surname box and enter your surname. With this, click on email address box and enter the email address you want to use to create your account. Then click on telephone box and enter your telephone number. After this, click on password box and create a strong password for your account. Then click on confirm password box and re-enter your password. With this, now here you need to enter your address. First, select your billing address. For this, click on the country option and select your country. Then click on address option and enter your address. You can also enter your address manually. For this, click on or enter address manually. Now if you want to use the same billing address for your delivery, you can click on use billing address for delivery option. If not, then scroll down, then select your country for delivery, then enter your delivery address. After you fill in all the information, now click on register option. With this, your JD Sports account will be created. Now click on OK option. Here you can see my JD Sports account has been created. And this is how you simply create a JD Sports account on PC. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.